And I think it also helped that, everybody had a change. Once they got in, you can see there's a sense that there's a change in attitude.
Nagbago eh. Nagbago eh. And suddenly, that Sermon on the Mount by Clarence Esteban worked and clicked. In the meantime, we welcome you to the start of the second set, and the first point belongs to PLDT Home Telpad. If you're talking about PLDT Home Telpad, what sort of aspect of their game sort of deserted them? What did they not do correctly in that first set, Ivy?
Well, I think, PLDT's game it's not bad, right? It's not bad. It's just that there were those few hits and misses that could have been an opportunity for them. So for example, I guess may mga ibang set na medyo mababa, hindi nagawa ng paraan, yung mga ganun.
And Roger Goroyev was telling his Lady Boosters, okay, in the first part, we're okay. Then, when there was a crisis, we didn't know what to do anymore. He's frustrated because his team, of course, a team of veterans. And look at this. Early on, the blocking, which was not there for Air Force in the early goings, suddenly has returned and has been good for the Air Force.
And this is something, of course, that the PLDT would have to find a solution for, especially pagka gumana ng blocking ng Air Force. Kailangan makadiskarte sila pagdating sa kanilang atake.
Lipat mo yung set, ibalasa mo ng konti, mag-open ka, mag-be quick ka. Huwag kalimutan, pagka fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Pag nadinig yung pizza, lumalabas yung graphics, Gutom na yung graphics person natin, eh. I can tell. 2-all. At sa lakas nung palo na parang sinuntok si Gretchen Soltones. Alam mo, ang spike sa TV, kala mo, lambot,
Yeah, but when you watch it live, that's the beauty of watching it live here.
Pero yung pag ikaw nandiyan sa court, pag sakit yan, yung biglang impact ng bola. Nagalit. Don't forget Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
And she's one of those players na parang walang effort. Parang hindi bumubuelo ng masyado.
Cool na cool. Benting got a serve to crawl over the net. The entire side of Air Force totally unprepared for that.
Quick attack. Benting picks it up. They go to Rosas once again off the block. Ball is still alive. Cases for the attack.
May mahuli yung cross-court ni Cases, no?
Rosas once again, drop shot. Balmaceda is there. Caballejo, drop shot din siya. They go to Soltones. Block. That goes outside.
One thing that Gretchen has learned through the years, you don't have to overpower the block each time. Just have to use it sometimes. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger, katolang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made.
Combination play picked up by Pantone. So Soltones once again.
Net ang tumama.
That goes over. Devanadera. Soltones. Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Second longest rally.
Combination. Soltones picked up by Balmaceda.
Galing ng mga libero.
Right. One hand set.
That's creativity in motion,
Yeah.
Both setters, both sides, so creative. Watch how De Leon does this.
May nakokontrol ang bola.
Nagagawa ng paraan, Benting keeping it in play.
Caballejo blocked by Devanadera. Caballejo to set it up. Cases picked up by Pantone. Pumunta kay Roses. Down the line.
Porsyento, 7-3. Yung porsyento siguradong puntos, eh. Parang gusto ni Ruby De Leon at this point feeling niya. Lumamang na tayo ng malaki. Parang hindi na tayo magkagulo sa dulo.
Not to gamble.
Oo.
But you can still see the distribution of the ball, eh. So she's going to Roses for the most of the time, but binibigyan din niya ng binibigyan yung iba.
Correct.
Caballejo, nahirapan gawa ng paraan.
Wala siyang real estate, eh. Wala siyang buwelo, Wala siyang hangin doon sa play na yan. 8-3, abante ng...
Cover na tong PLDT. Nakwento sa akin kanina ni Charo na alam naman daw talaga nila na meron silang konting pagkukulang dun sa area na yon, all conference long. Kaya naman sabi niya na during daw their practices, they try to simulate kung ano yung mga close games at the end. Kunyari daw, nagpe-play sila ng mga 22, 23, 23 all or even 24 all para ma-practice nila yung composure nila as a team. Kaya naman kahit they're down by one set right now, they're still confident that they can still get back in this game. Balik sa inyo, Sir.
That's a very good report because we get an insight into how the teams prepare Ivy. The coaches will play those games.
Mahirap yun kasi yung ganun talagang parang you're really pressured pero nasa training ka lang.
Yes, indeed.
Soltones is blocked. Ginawa ng paraan ni Roses. First line. I think most of them are expecting kasi na hindi napapasok yung bole.
I think so, yes.
Because Roses was out of position, sumobra yung bigay ni Benting.
And we are now at 11-3. The Air Force was leading 3-2 when suddenly 8 straight points by PLDT Home Telpan.
Good pickup from Pantone. Soltones blocked. They go to Roses.
Sinuntok sa tuktok.
Caballejo down the line.
Finally, after a long drought, they nailed something. And they finally get the serve. Umikot na tuloy yung rotation nila, That is a problem, Ivy. Pag hindi kayo nakakakuha na serve, hindi umiikot yung rotation nyo Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. To those of you watching volleyball, you know that players rotate. They swing around each time so everybody gets to serve, except the libero, of course. Ooh, layo.
Down the line hit from Pantino.
Two straight points.
Yeah, we can see Air Force attacking the down the line. Down the line hits ang in-implement itong Air Force against PLDT.
Why do you think they're going there? They feel that there's a better opening there?
Well, they can see the base on the floor defense kasi yun ang bukas
Okay. So that takes some deftness, some sharpness to realize that. The meantime, the Benadera is caught. Benting.
Ball is still alive.
Kala ko, patay na
Caballejo was blocked. Oh, that did not go over.
Hindi nga. So bumalik ang point sa kabilang panig at umikot ang rotation ng PLDT Home Telpan. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger katulang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Sue Roses with the serve.
A setup here from Pantino. Good block. It is a free ball from Air Force. Combination play. Soltones denied. Quick attack.
Lampas.
Oh, lumagpas
Ito playable.
We go to Roses from the back.
Si Aling Porsyento. Kahit ikaw setter, dito ako pupunta. Bakit mo papahihirapan pa? Regalo.
Over the net. They go to Caballejo.
I missed that kind of shot.
Benting at the back.
Ay, wala sa pwesto si Pantone. Alam niya. Nag-coverage si Pantone. Tumulong siya, lumapit siya. Then, nung nagka-problema, was 3 steps late. 13-6 po ang ating bilang. Good start by PLDT Home Telpan, actually.
The Benadera. Pantino.
Ooh.
Oh, almost a good save there from Pantone.
Isipin mo kung magkampi yung Patino, di ba? Sama-sama sila. Magkabuhol-buhol ka na.
Tongue twister na yun lahat.
13-7. Last 2 points have been scored by the Air Force.
Ruby. Back row from Roses.
Aha.
Pero yun medyo out of position na talaga.
Eto na, gagalit na naman Kuya Roger nyo. Nakatulog sa pansitan ng mga girls niya.
Coach Roger, they are ahead, but Coach Roger does not want, any mistakes.
Kasi the last 3 points have been scored by Air Force. Finally, Sultanes ends the drought.
And we've seen that happen in the first set, that PLDT was leading, pero hinayaan nilang dumikit ang Air Force.
Ito playable.
Sultanes once again.
Sa power na tayo magpunta, sabi ni Ruby De Leon. Mamaya na yung quickie stop na madaling gawin. Ito, lakasan na natin. Gusto nila bumiwalay eh. As early as when it was about 7-3, we were recommending that they needed more distance actually. Out against this Air Force team that could be dangerous. Semana is back in the game.
Wendy Semana now taking over the setting duties for Air Force.
Lakas. Walang kapitik-pitik. 16-8 po ang bilang natin. Una na naman ang PLDT home. Sana. Sana.
Pero okay lang, kanya na yung bag, atin na lang yung laman.
Dali mong kausap, ano? Sultan, sinubukan yung suntok. At umiskor na naman ang Philippine Air Force. It is 9 against 16. Si Tapik ng Davao ang magsiserve. Ito magandang first name nito eh. Josimer. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Sultanes off the block.
I just have to mention the nice steady hand positioning of Pantone. Na parang napakaganda niya.
Yeah, and she's again one of those effortless players na parang walang ka-effort sa kanya yung pag-receive, ang pagpwesto.
There's some liberos as that serve goes into the net. They're liberos, nakakahiwalay-hiwalay yung katawan.
Yeah, yung malikot. Magaslaw sa loob.
Meron yung poise, ito, mga Dendel Lazaro, mga...
But I think, Pantone is the most poised of them all.
I think so.
Pinaka-refined sa kanilang lahat.
Kasi si Denden may somersault eh.
Yeah.
Melissa Guhin, ganun din, poised din. 18-10, samantala, as we take a look at the man in the middle is Sir Moying Martelino, our chairman, and si Eleanor, andun din, ang ating principal.
Principal.
Si Mr. Moying, ang university president. Ganda ng pick-up. Sayang. Andyan pa ba si Miss Pantone? Andyan pa sa baba.
Andyan pa. Scores 18-11. Air Force slowly inching closer.
Kumakatok sa pinto Last 2 points or last 2 points have been scored by them.
Benting is blocked.
Biglang dumikit When does Roger Gorayan stand up to call a timeout? Is his hand near the timeout buzzer? I wonder. Semana serving. Sooner than you think. Eto na, tumayo muna. Why does that happen sometimes? You know your position. May mental lapse. What happens on the court?
Well, sometimes din kasi yung parang may hesitation ko, tentative movements So, like for example, alam mo nang parating yung bola, pero minsan nagpapalit ka ng isip at the last minute
I think the fact that you don't catch the ball with your 2 hands here also helps, di ba? What am I going to do here? I am startled by the game. Sometimes merong moments na hindi alam ng mga teams ko ano gagawin.
Yeah. Para momentarily mental block.
Ano nangyari doon? 19-13 score.
Joust at the net, won by Cases.
Cases has not been able to score on her open spikes. She's been trying to find a way to score. She found a way there. Ortiz will be serving for all of us. Itong audience natin, mapapagod ka kapalakpak buong araw ito. Pacing din sila.
Angela Benting off the block.
Still one of the best with the open set and long-time star of the Adamson Lady Falcons. Manzano's in for the first time, replacing Cassis.
Air Force adding more height to the floor.
Semana with the set. Walang tao doon. Ayun oh. Biglang nagkasisihan ng konti. Can be frustrating in this game.
Yun yung mga kasi yung mga sumasabit sa net. Pampawala ng momentum eh.
Caballier makes it a set. Ruby adjusts. Nice pickup. Eto na.
To Soltones. Solid block.
Huli. 4 points is the distance. Keep in mind, the Air Force took the first set, 25-21. Take us through this, Ivy. Nahuli talaga no?
Perfect timing. Soltones has been aiming for that cross court. Nakakailang puntos na siya kanina doon. And we can see that both of the blockers of Air Force umadjust eh.
Yes.
They kept the down the line open. So they're anticipating already sa cross court ni Soltones.
They're daring her to try the down the line, which is not exactly her specialty. Wendy makes it a set. Oh, it turns into a point.
And again, that hits the hand of the blocker, changing the momentum of the ball.
And the set as well, because the last 3 points in all Air Force. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made.
Soltones off the block.
Hindi niya talaga master in down the line. So papaluan niya yung blocks. So then, they finally score, making it 21-17. Hindi rin nagpanik si Roger Correa. No? Hindi siya tumawag ng timeout kaagad. Veteran coaches just know when to use it.
Oh, that's outside.
They were hoping for a check,
There was no call. So no check from the blockers. Sneaky tong si Judy. We have an idea what she has in mind. Papacheck niya dapat eh.
Alam niyo wala siyang palo eh.
Oh.
That serve is into the net. May epekto ba yung timeout sa pag-serve?
Yes. Yun yung sinasabi natin ng pag-change of momentum eh. So kaya may mga ibang coaches you would see na pagka sunod-sunod ng puntos ng kalaban, they would call for timeout to break the momentum.
Ganda. Perfect sa likod. And it just becomes a 3-point affair. And Pantino making sure that nobody was there. And Caballier will be serving. Suddenly, it's the Air Force knocking at the door again. Parang ganito ng perset
Soltones!
Nakuha rin.
You cannot leave Gretzel Soltones alone with just one blocker.
Nangyari Ivy nung nawala yung double block. Nakakita siya ng puwang Kahit kapirasong silaw ng araw, wala. Pinuno na. Serve is in play. And Pantino quietly contributing, making it now 20-23. They obtained the serve. Topic will be doing it now. They have Ortiz now in the front row. Semana is now the setter as she was 4 or 5 points back.
Soltones blocked by Semana.
Who is not exactly the tallest person on the planet. I think she's about 5'2".
Yeah, but she can jump really high. That's the thing.
Yes, indeed.
Don't be deceived by the height.
And she's been a setter for a long time. She was for FEU. That floated down. Tinago. Well done by Ruby De Leon. And now it is set point. Well, the mind of the setter is constantly at work. Yung basa ng laro, grabe. Soltones says, subukan natin.
Good serve. There we go to Pantino off the block.
Mintis!
Miscommunication there from Soriano and De Leon.
Anong feeling mong hindi tama doon?
Well,
Mali ang basa ni Ruby?
Well, I think Ruby was, another option sana is andun si Angela, but Angela was the one who got the ball eh.
Okay.
So wala na siyang option but to give it to Charo.
The dump. Pinaluan.
Ball is still alive.
Free ball nangyari. Too close to the net. Ginawan ng paraan.
Angela Benting.
I think you and I are in for a long afternoon straight into